Hey guys, Organized Alaina, and today's video is going to be a desk tour. I just wanted to show y'all how I kind of work throughout the day and how my desk is set up. This is going to be a pretty quick video. However, if you want to see a full office tour, make sure that you like this video so that I know that you are interested in this type of content. Okay, so to get the video started, this is my desk. I don't have my chair here yet because it is being delivered. I ordered a new chair. I wanted a white and gold chair to match the decor of my office. My office is black, white, and gold, and so I did need to order a new chair, so that's coming in. But the first thing you see here is my second screen along with my computer. This computer is the new Mac Pro computer, so I had to order the dock that went with it in order to get my second screen to work. This is my daily planner, which you have seen a lot of in my videos. This is a calculator that I ordered from Amazon. I'll have a link to it in the description box below if you're interested in it, but it's really cute. It's just a white and gold calculator. Sorry if y'all can hear that noise. My kids are home, so they are making a lot of noise upstairs. This is what I usually use to put my cups on to make sure I don't stain my desk, and it just says hello gorgeous. I got this from Hobby Lobby and I believe it was about $5. So I love that because it's just so cute. And then over here is one of my favorite things that's on my desk. This houses all my pens, and these drawers I believe are empty right now, but these house all my pens, and I can do a full pen tour and tell you about each one of the ones that I have gotten in another video because I don't want to make this one too long. And then this is a pen that I was gifted, but I know that it's from Amazon. It's I usually use it for decor for a lot of my pictures, but I don't write with it often because I just prefer the pens that I have here. This is my white and gold stapler. This was also from Amazon, and I usually keep it here. And underneath here I have thank you notes that I use when I send off orders. That's just the envelopes that go with it. So anytime anyone places an order from my Etsy shop, I will just pull a thank you note from here so I can write a handwritten note. On top here are my flowers. These are faux flowers. I did order these from Amazon also, so I'll have that in my description box. But they just look really nice in all of my pictures, and I just like the added touch that they add to the desk. And this is a candle, the Inhale Exhale candle from Bath & Body Works. It is pretty much done, and I do have some new candles from Clarity Candles, so that will go up next. Up here above is my filming calendar. This is my whiteboard that I received. I got it from Michael's, I believe. It was either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I want to say it was Michael's. And it's white and gold, and you can list out all your priorities and different things that you need to do for the month. I mostly use this for my filming schedule. So I will put on sticky notes anything that I want to film throughout the month. I do try to post daily. It's something that I just started trying out. I definitely want to do it for September, October, and November, and we'll see kind of how it goes from there. So because I'm filming daily, I kind of need to keep track of everything that I want to film, so I do add them on sticky notes, and if I need to move things around, I will just move the sticky note. It's just much easier to just take these up than to have to rewrite everything over. So that's everything that's on top of the desk. Now let me show you what is in the drawer. So in this top drawer here, this is all of the post-it notes. I write with a lot of post-it notes, as you can see from my board here, but I also use them for my notebooks and for my planners. If I need to write anything down and I don't want to permanently write it down, I use sticky notes. There's some scissors back here. This is the extra ink that goes to that decorative pen, that goes to this pen. So whenever it does run out of ink, I can make sure that I use that to fill it back up. Behind here are just some tweezers if I need to use for putting down stickers, a stapler remover, some tape, and some staples. And then on the side here, I just have hand sanitizer. And that's it for that drawer. And in the bottom drawer here is just a bunch of files and some extra paper for my happy planner, and some tabs and just some additional stuff. And that is about it, guys. So if you like these type of videos, if y'all want to see more organization videos, I can definitely do my bookcase and I can do a full office tour. So if you're interested in it, make sure that y'all give me a thumbs up and let me know that you like these type of videos. Until next time, don't forget to head over to my Instagram. I post a bunch of pictures there, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.